Hi, my name is Gretchen Kother, and I'm here with Louise Hudson. We're with the Lee County Federated Republican Women. And today we're visiting with Barbara Johnson, who is a candidate for the Court of Appeals Judge position number 1. Welcome, Barbara. It's good to see you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm happy to be here.
Barbara, could you please tell us today why you're running to be a judge on the Court of Appeals?
Yes, ma'am. I will try to explain that one to you. The Court of Appeals is kind of the first level of appeals in New Mexico. We have two appellate courts, Court of Appeals and Supreme Court. I practice primarily as a family law attorney, handling divorces, paternity cases, everything that involves contested family relationships. Well, I don't do any probate work, but I do everything with live people, I guess I'll say. My clients are mostly live. So if we don't settle a case, and most of us family lawyers settle, probably between 90 and 95% of our cases. I consider that my job. Keep my clients out of that courtroom because I cannot predict anything that's going to come out of there. But if we don't settle that case, we end up in a courtroom and we have a trial. Family law cases are very complicated to try because they have so many issues to be decided. Everything that has to do with custody and visitation and assets and liabilities and parties' finances and sometimes domestic violence, which bleeds over into criminal cases or other civil cases. If one of the litigants thinks that the trial judge did not do it correctly, they can appeal. And they appeal to the Court of Appeals. Court of Appeals has 10 judges on it. We're not called justices, as one of the judges used to say. There's no justice on the Court of Appeals, just judges. So we get to go to the Court of Appeals. There are 10 judges on the Court of Appeals, and they hear cases in panels of 3. It's supposed to be a random assignment. It usually takes years to get a decision from the Court of Appeals, which I would be happy to talk about in answer to another question if you would prefer. Thank you, ladies.
Well, thank you very much. We appreciate that.
You're welcome.